A police officer is implicated in allegedly forging a guarantor's signature for a 235,000 ta'ala loan from the Samoa National Provident Fund. On 4th March 2024, the guarantor lodged a complaint with the SNPF Chief Executive Officer. According to the complainant, he was not aware of the loan until his wife checked his SNPF portal recently to see how much he was entitled from the last 2.4% dividend for contributors. Returning from a trip overseas, he was surprised when his wife informed him of a 235,000 ta'ala loan he guaranteed. In the letter of complaint, he explained that the police officer approached him if he could guarantee his loan. I told him to go and check with SNPF if I was good as a guarantor, stated the letter. While overseas, he received an email from the police officer that his loan application was approved. The complainant then asked the police officer to ask SNPF to prepare the documents for him to sign as a guarantor on his return. What the complainant did not know was that the loan had already been released based on a consent letter he allegedly wrote and signed. The complainant is questioning who signed the consent letter. The complainant said the police officer understood what he did was an offense because it was his duty as a police officer to enforce the law but not to break it. The complainant is awaiting a response from SNPF and is determined to pursue the matter to the very end.